Breaking news. Godswill Akpabio's wife filed 250 billion lawsuit against Natasha Akpoti. The matter is getting more interesting. Is it getting interesting or getting more serious? Akpabio's wife filed 250 billion lawsuit against Natasha and public apology for her husband for defamation of character and abuse. Oh my God, this country. You see, let me read for you. It should be this here. It is here. Let me read for you before I'll say something. Miss Unoma Godswill Akpabio, wife of the Senate president, has filed multiple lawsuits against Senator Natasha Akpoti Uduaghan at the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. The lawsuit include claims of fundamental rights violations and defamation stemming from statements made by the senator during televised interview on Arise News. Hey, in the fundamental rights case, suit number CV 841/25 bracket, Ms. Akpabio's alleged that Senator Natasha's remarks both on the Senate floors and on television violated her fundamental rights. She seeks a court declaration affirming these violations a perpetual injunction preventing further such statements and 250 billion in damages for emotional and psychological distress caused to her and her children. Wow. See now. Now let me continue. Additionally, in a separate defamation suit number CV 86816/25, Ms. Akpabio claims that Senator Natasha's televised accusation against her husband, alleging he made sexual advances, has severely damaged her family reputation. She demands formal retraction and public apology in the Guardians and this day Matadeo in the Guardian and this day newspaper, and 1 billion in damages See now. Both lawsuits used to get money. See now. Matadeo. Both lawsuits also seek court order to permanently restrain the senator from making further allegedly defamatory or harmful statements. Can you imagine? Matter serious. 250 billion for defamation and public apology. And retract that statement. You will come back to that same Arise or that television's Guardian newspaper and this day newspaper to write it, retract that statement that it was a slip of tongue, or how, or you lie, or how. See, let me tell you something. Some people don't understand how this country work. That's the problem. They don't understand how this country work. Natasha sued Godswill Akpabio 100 billion. It's also for defamation of character or for what's that one? You see the same thing. 100 billion, right? I told you before that lawsuit will not fly, will not go anywhere. It's a waste of time. Saying it's a waste of time, that lawsuit is not going anywhere. You are not expecting Natasha to win that case, for Akpabio and his family to come and pay Natasha 100 billion. It's a waste of time. No, but the third man in the country, it's not going to work. Do you understand? Now, this 100 billion lawsuit now, it's not going to work, it's not going anywhere. So this one has to file her 250 billion because people told Natasha to withdraw that lawsuit before. She said no, she has not withdrawn. Even this woman talking yesterday, Miss Irete Kingibi, that's what she said. He told Natasha, according to her, to withdraw that lawsuit. He said no. You know how this country work? Because like I said, this Natasha will not win that case. It's not because she does not have evidences to back up her claims that what she said was true. It's not as if there was no evidence to that, but because of the country we live in, because we don't have law in this country, because we don't have law, you are not expecting that 100 million lawsuit to go anywhere. So because this woman, Akpabio's wife and Akpabio family, they already knew that this 100 billion, this lawsuit is not going anywhere. The only thing to do is filing another lawsuit against her so that she will withdraw. It's not as if they need money. Akpabio and his family, it's not as if they need this money. So they just want to use this one now, threaten her so that she will go and withdraw her 100 billion lawsuit. Then come out and apologize publicly. This is, she is a victim, but she has to accept the brain that what she said, it was a slip of tongue. This is a country we find ourselves. So this is a country, when you are dealing with ogas, you need to be very careful. When you are dealing with oga, you know anything, any matter up, you know within winner, you need to be very careful. Do you understand? You need to be very careful. That is it. It's not as if, I repeat, it's not as if Natasha does not have evidences to back up her claims that Akpabio was trying to make advances of her. No, it's not as if she does not have evidence before she went to the courts to file lawsuit, 100 billion lawsuit. No, but because we live in this country, Nigeria, so that lawsuit is not going anywhere. It's not going to fly. But these people now, Akpabio's his wife, they just want Natasha to withdraw that statement, that lawsuit. So if she withdraw this lawsuit, 100 billion, withdraw it, come out and apologize, will do what they asked her to do, they will also withdraw their own lawsuit against her. It's not as if they need the money. That is it. Just to restore that reputation. Just to restore that reputation. To say you are sorry. You lied against this Senate president. The allegations was false. It's baseless. You don't know our Nigeria courts. We get law in this country. I mean, didn't you see what happened in Peter Obi's case? Articles, they won't tell you again. So they will just go there. This one is baseless. It does not have any substantial evidence to back up your case. It's baseless. Baseless. God, I want to see the end of this. If she's going to truly come and apologize, retract her statement to say it was a lie, this, that. But if she comes to say that, that means half of Nigeria will not take her serious again. Say you lie against our president in that Senate house, they will not take her serious again like before. Say you lie against our president. Not be say she lie, but this is Nigeria for you. That's it. This is Nigeria for you. This is Nigeria for you. So what this woman would have done, since everybody they analyzed since yesterday, she would not have granted this interview since she filed lawsuit against her already. That would have been her evidence. Say this is the reason. When she go and gather those evidence, it's that court time during for them to bring evidence. That's why you say all of that to say this is what happened. But she was too fast forward. I'm not saying Natasha lied. Though this is the country we find ourselves. I'm not saying she lied. Nobody was there. She is the only person who could actually tell the truth. Between her and God knows if she's saying the truth. Not be me, not be you. We are only guessing. We are only trying to say because this Akpabio, she has been doing it. She's like that. He's like that. He has been doing it. He's like that. That is it. We are just assuming. Welcome to Nigeria. Please share this video.